Let's take a look at the new updates for the custom fields. You can now attach custom fields to drivers, vehicles, and properties. For example, using FinAbyss, click Insured Items, then select Drivers. Choose a driver from the list. Click Actions, then select Custom Fields. If no custom panel is currently assigned, you'll see a message indicating that no panels are visible for this entity. Click the provided link to create a new panel. If you already have existing custom field panels, go to the left navigation bar. Click Miscellaneous, then click Agency Customization. Locate Custom Fields. In this example, we already have preset custom panels. Select one, click Actions, then click Edit. Here you'll see the panel name, description, and existing fields. Use the Show on Types dropdown to assign where this panel should appear, such as insureds, prospects, drivers, or properties. Customize this as needed, then click Save. With this update, custom fields appear only where they're relevant, reducing clutter across the system. For additional help on this feature, please contact the Momentum support team. Thank you for watching.